Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, we will be starting with Gain 1200, okay? And I will be using my 3M trend milker trading indicator to do my analysis, and I'm on 15-minute time frame. So if you are having the indicator, tag along with me, okay? If you are not, just follow up with the analysis and you will get it right, okay? So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So this particular asset Gain 1200 started, got to this stop loss. It got to the support zone and it was unable to break out below it. So it started an uptrend right from there. So you can see switching from red to yellow, and it kept on buying. Okay. So in the morning, I noticed that it got to the resistance zone and I drew out this trend line. If you had watched my video in the morning, then you should have jumped into the trade and make some good cash from here. Okay. So this actually gave us a downtrend signal at this point. Also, the indicator also confirm the trend. Okay, so and it has been selling since then, and it is still selling. So we expect it to get to this region successfully. Okay, if it breaks out from there, then definitely it should be getting to this region. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. Okay, next asset is going to be Gain 999. Let's check it out together. This is Gain 999. This had been on downtrend since. Okay, so it has gotten to this support zone, try to pull up a bit, but it is still more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, if it breaks out above this trend line, then it is ready for a buy, but it is yet to break out above it. So for now, it is still selling until it is able to break out above that. Okay, so this is very, very important. The next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. I also did some analysis on this in the morning. I told you that it had been on downtrend. However, if it breaks out above this trend line, then it will buy. Okay, so you can see it bought, and of course it got to this TP which I highlighted in the morning. Okay, so but after getting there, it didn't go too far before dropping down again, and it is selling at the moment. Okay, it will be targeting this region right now. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. Okay, so we should take note of that. Next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. So this is Paynex 99. It had been on downtrend after cutting off from this particular trend line. Okay, so it's been selling since then, even though it is at the support zone. If it breaks out below it, then it's going to sell more. If it does not, we are most likely to see a change in direction or a change in trend right from there. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below the support zone. Now let's check out the last asset. This is going to be FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80. It had been on uptrend. You can see the yellow line. It had been on uptrend, but after getting to this resistance zone, it has not been able to break out from there. And as you can see, it broke out also below this, and of course, it is selling at the moment. So we expect more selling opportunity than the buying opportunity right from there. Just the way we see it. Okay, so this may likely get to this region right from there. Okay, so we expect more selling right from there. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.